People social media supposed to know me already. I never afraid. I shall not be afraid. But me only have this to say. Me say herpes mouth. You see people, if God was like man, he make some away. Alright, me I go own up to it. Me I go own up to it. Me I go own up to it. Yes, me cuss Donna. It's okay. But at least I have the decency of not to cuss our kids and our family and people around her. I cuss her based on the topic. One on one, as one said, nobody can take my feelings away from me. As I said, I feel offended about the health part, and in general, I talk about the body size. Now, I am not going to come on social media and say everything. I am not. I know why, and only me alone with my feelings. I feel offended about the health part, but at least when I cuss her, according to herpes mouth and Nasi Ratna Tumok 360. But remember, just remember, I never cuss our family. I never cuss our kids. In general, because our kids are the most important. Our kids and our mother. Me never cuss them. But me I go ask herpes mouth and ASHANTI when them did cuss her. And me cuss her based on what was said. Herpes mouth, when me remember, when you cuss the woman friend, when you go to the woman friend, I look money, and the woman tell you, say, she not give you no money because you cuss too much bad word. You cuss the woman the night and you get up and you cuss the woman. So, which one away? And another thing, me get to understand, because you see, people worse when time out on a fake page. Me get to understand, say, so could ASHANTI and I was not friend. Me and Donna is not friend either. I respect that woman and I still feel the same way. At least I am not hypocrite. I'm not going to make no drunk crow, no crow bait, no serpent, no rector bait. Make me not come out here and speak my mind, because me not afraid of backlash. Me not afraid of backlash. I am not scared, just like as I said yesterday, I was so pissed off. I'm not justify my action, it speak my mind. I am not going to apologize. You know why? Me understand, say him cannot control in comment section and nasty try. For sure, yeah, this man him cat. The way for me I dark when me see the comment section. Anybody would have seen it, and I come out and I cuss him. And he come out and he cuss me back. So me call it quit. Me not apologize. I am not going to apologize. Me not going to apologize. Because when you see the heading and you see the comment section, it was not nice. Now, me see somebody, well, too, when me check my comment section yesterday, me would have want to know I would it over here, because I go back and go check unless then delete then comment. Nobody cannot, you see, when you know I go tell lie, nobody can drag nobody in my comment section. People talk their mind. And me supposed to can talk my mind. I supposed to. Me supposed to, but at the end of the day, at least I had the decency to leave her family. When you ASHANTI, you didn't even have the decency to spare Donna, to spare Joshi. You never have. You are matlock, like how you never have the decency to spare my late son. When a collection money bury Matlock brother from both you and the agent, the two agents never Matlock, mama sign up collection plate. So therefore I do not care a damn. Because I know see a content, uno de look content because I say if me fi come out and talk and make some clipping, me prefer do it on social media. Nobody me know me board and go do it on voice note and recording. Me have to express my I feel away. I feel offended and nobody cannot fight my feelings. Nobody cannot fight my feelings. That's how I feel, and I rather say it and get it off my chest. Still have the respect. Me nah deaf, me no love woman. Still have the respect. Same way, still share her out. Same way. Me and Donna wasn't friend, so me no know what kind of excuse that Ashanti a go come with and say when him drag the woman and her family over charity, over bad mind, over money. Me not drag her. I never drag her. I said what I said on the live. And I rather to say it more than go up on a voice note or nobody hear me. Better me say it right now and done and set my spirit free. So no herpes mouth and Ashanti phone a little life cannot get me down. Because you did out here say you are security and look on something them. Look on the something them where you talk all that cussy woman and look on the something them where you do and you are come out now come talk about it. Let me tell you something. And the little nasty people in the comment section who is a set of hypocrite. Who is a set of hypocrite. Uno never have the decent, at least me have the decent if I leave our family them out of it. At least me did have the decent if I leave the people them surround her. Who did session them out and the crutches, people crutches with dead rat tonight for hamburger? Who did say so? Who did ball out safe gunman? Who, hey, look like what? Uno, well, you have to see him like how fool no one can go away for me when we go away. Me one will go away, and I said what I said, and I said it already. I talk how I feel. Whether I am right or I am wrong, it does not matter. The facts will matter. I kept it one-on-one with her. Me never go for her kids. Me never go for her mother. Me never go. I said it one-on-one with her. She said she no business, but she said me no business neither. When I fight figure, I am quite. When I fight figure, and I play hypocrite and I fight to push up and figure. Look on you one night you come out and I cuss everything there. Me tell you, you know, I go stay focused on the drunk Ashanti. I go stay focused on the dirty Ashanti. Ashanti is when you put up picture, put up your granny too. Put up your granny too and put up your crap base. Ashanti, you care, you and Matla can't talk to me. None of uno look nasty, dirty people can't chat to me. None of uno can't talk to me. Because I'm not hypocrite. And let me say this to say that. Tina, let me spend 2 minutes for you. You don't worry, you hear? Don't worry. Me I go make sure, me I go promise you this, that Noel come at your funeral, because you seems to care make the lady rest in peace. The lady have family, you don't have no respect, you don't have no respect out here. So no worry and fret. All the thing grow out the suit. him a go in it. Me a make sure say him come at your funeral. Cause since you have a problem with people when I got people funeral, Noel I go come at your funeral. Continue going down a Montgomery Plaza, go sniff out, get up every morning and run down and the donut and the coffee and cook one time a month. Continue, then you shall sure reach where you're destined for reach. Noel go at your funeral. You don't worry, Tina. Noel I go come at your funeral. You don't worry. Continue. Continue bad mind and grudge people. Continue bad mind. Continue with your nasty ways. And then me make sure Noel have to go to your funeral. Because since you not got the lady one, he might go after you. He will be there. Me a make sure saying that he might go at your funeral. Because you have a problem with him going, but he might go come after you. Don't worry. He might go after your funeral. Yeah, back to where me I say. So when time una go come out and una go chat with them, look at hypocrites, I care zero. I don't care one roots. Because I said this is full no problem. Una do not stand up for what is right. Una stand up for what is wrong. Me see all one make one comment, me have a black sheep. Me want to know who did in my comment section. Unless them delete it, that this up, Donna. Nobody can come over here and come this up, Donna. Nobody cannot, as soon as anybody say anything, a curse and a this and a that and a this. But look who attack the two who do the worst. The two who drag the woman the worst out here. We drag the woman the worst, drag the woman brand, we never leave nothing and turn about the woman. Ball out safe gunman take them life for the woman. I want to come and talk to me. Play back phone live and play for me and sit down and look on it and have a heart and see which one worse. Play back phone live and me talk. I can since you say me cuss her, me go own up to it. Me cuss her. Me cuss her. But I cuss her based upon what was said. Me never, me know you did go to our friend. If you go beg money, say you beg money for blind boy. Herpes mouth. And when time you go, you don't get it. Are you in a group all a plan for go scam people for ticket and sitting and cuss and make up one excitement? Tell a lie pan her. So you never talk about no visa and sitting. You talk all over much pastor. I never call her thief. Because I say she give out the money them in a receipt, so I could not call her thief. So what una say? Here's one big dirty nasty distraction because all you interested about is your money. Is your money, herpes mouth. And the thing is, you know what the sad thing about uno out the attack on the mouth don't clean. Uno mouth coming like them all redundant. Me could have never out here. With them the teeth then I see me head and I cuss and I drag and I tell a lie upon people. Look on the two uno mouth, take it on the road. Uno not a glass in the house. Cold skill and redundant pit toilet now have nothing upon uno. Uno mouth rotten and dirty till uno gum. I never see this yet. I never look at Ashanti mouth where Ashanti abacus people. Look pound the mouth. Just take a sin and look pound. All your herpes mouth from morning till night you look greasy. What if I know the fab soap water when you wash your clothes? You see that decking they were dropped down? Remember you did come already say you go walk my bar right, you go this and you go that. The decking are the people that's why it dropped down. It should have dropped on you. It should have dropped down on you. I mean I said that with no apple. It should have dropped down on you. If not the king drop down. If none drop down. Like how Ashanti the God Jamaican in cousin meet an accident after he get the lady for St. Martin money. He get one I see him careless woman them going at the lady messenger. Go say meet in an accident because he want money for collect. None of them can chat to me. Cause when I want something, I come out and ask for it. Uno too enough. Uno where do the woman the worst. Where do one night time y'all say herpes mouth say the woman picnic them illegal or pastor run the woman. Hey, uno want memories uno want. Wait when me have two me I go make and put out here. Cause me I go put them out. Why uno forget? Look who is talking. Look, not even look who is talking like look who is barking. So, Ashanti a true worker. You said the lady pay Olivet, and that you tell me not so the lady pay Olivet $500 for cuss you. So because I know me not understand what make you cuss the woman. I know me not understand what make you take ears and drag the woman. I know me not understand. Another thing again, when you got talk about say, una got talk about friend the woman enemy. Ashanti, you never go see Tina, friend up Tina and drink and drunk and drink with Tina, hug up Tina and take picture. Tina wasn't the woman enemy. Me not have no enemy past social media. Me not have no enemy past social media but Ashanti and Tina Chin. Me am my own big woman. Me is my own big woman. I know me want to me ear blogger come out here we good with the woman. I say them talk to everybody cause them not in a social media bangaran. Them talk to everybody. When I hear Tina such a talk to certain person. Well, me can't go fight nobody for talk to them. Everybody, I won't know what. I won't know what put on me. You can't do that. Don't try it. Don't you dare try it. Me see all one make one comment about me. We have white flag with Donna enemy. Me no business with Donna enemy. Me no business with Donna enemy. Me mama and me papa not talk to each other, so me fi take side. Me no business with them. More time that's why me and my mother kick off and tell them in them bangarang and then call me. My mother call me. Cause my father not me tell her me no business with it. Yeah, your baby father don't go about it. Me no business with it. Me no want to know about things when time me did little bit and me never remember when time me a baby before all when time I born. Me not pick no side between them. If my mother want vex and keep up 1 2 months blocking that a fear business when she comes, that's a fear problem. Someone want to know how me a wave white flag with what that mean. Me a wave white flag with Donna enemy. Me don't know what Donna enemy. But me not understand I don't understand what them two serpent here. I don't understand what the backside is. Me not dealing in politics. Everybody free for talk down to the lake. So I don't know where una come about. I don't know where una come about. What una for? What is no cost? What the car? What 13 a wave white flag with Donna enemy? What? Who is Donna enemy? When Donna says she not no problem with nobody in a Facebook. She not in a mix up with nobody in a Facebook. Who is Donna enemy? Come here, Donna says she not have no problem with nobody in a Facebook. Me know she says she a go drag some people at courthouse. Which it is quite fair. Nobody can drag anybody to courthouse. Me picking them that they drag me too. So what the big thing? What we not back? What we not back? We not feel like say Ashanti all the back where you back last night. Me touch me YouTube. You did have more people over there. All the back, you the back. All the back. I'm gonna leave herpes mouth because I say herpes mouth. I'm on the herpes mouth. I look. I'm on the herpes mouth. I look. I mean I help herpes mouth. The two of Uno we drag the woman the worst. One of the time you say you're security. And you and the woman they are Jamaican, you have to defend her. But hear the stuff, hear the thing to them, hear the I wonder if you hear them the voice note and then there's something there. Hear the something them, hear the thing to them when you talk about the woman. You not hear them? Hear them no? Me not understand. You know, because me not understand. Ashanti and me, you want to try look views off her? And me, you want to try look views off her? Me not go around, me not the amount of view, me not no man amount of view. You say your woman live behind parlor. Remember, you don't want to take picture of parlor house. I'll know you still have up the woman. I'll know, remember when you cuss the guy, you say make she come out. I'll know you still have up the woman. You're not defending nothing, you're defending your coke addiction and your pocket. What the backside is the yes, me cuss her. I know me are the first person cuss her. She cuss people to a cuss. That's what women do, we cuss. But at least I have the decency. At least I have the decency to know say I cuss her based on what she said. And I sure leave our kids out of it. I sure left her mother and I sure leave her family out of it. I sure left the people them that surround her out of it. But herpes mouth and rotten stomach 369, did you? Well, he told me that common mama was in June. And he said, Nakele donate money. One never seen thing when he say again. Me say, me da go wait for carry this over YouTube, but since me there right here, so. He said, we remember one time, come and contact. Not for the time, I have to to him say that say, come, you know me turn, me say to him say that say, but when I tell, I miss say to him say black cleaner. But again, I can't lie him and tell me only. I repeat what he said. Cause he tell lie for me over there. Cause the lie when tell all us and me go tell Lady V. Cause Lady V couldn't tell Ashanti so. Lady V couldn't tell. I don't know what Ashanti have in her mind. Look, everybody come out and give them advice for the Dwayne's apology situation. He run ready because he feel like saying can cuss everybody. That's what I am saying. Donna say what Donna say, me say what me say. Me not say Donna. One thing with her, anyhow Donna did feel offended. Anyhow she did feel offended by my life. You remember when the cure come here? Come here. Me I got thing there. Cause me here say Grace did over there cause me so be supposed to can call her. You remember when Gracie did come out and me and Gracie did say, can me like member you know? And Gracie did come out and say, me and the man of England with the cake. Don't Donna did come out and address it? Don't Donna did come out and address it? Because she feel away. You see, if Donna did feel away, she would have come out and say something. These little nasty crow bait in the name of content where hey God, hey you see if God was like man, that's why God made them mouth rotten out. So you notice how them mouth rotten? You notice how them mouth here talk about me? You notice how them mouth you ever take a look upon it and God make them mouth rotten the art of the corruption. Father God see and say I still have the same feelings about Donna. The same way a strong black woman. Listen, everybody I got talk, but we don't have to do also. Some of the things that she get, it is very, and here she did a life the other day and say when time she did address the situation with Cheryl Rose Green and she has say a sudden tell lie upon her. When Cheryl say the guy mother must do have something because let me tell you something, nobody can come to me with iniquity at Obia. I don't believe in that. But for no say the two of them, that's why their mouth are rotten out. That's why their mouth are rotten out because they none of them don't like that woman. None of them. And me said to Ashanti when Ashanti called me that day as God live it for my life and beg God do make us see another sunshine. And I said to Ashanti say Black Tina don't make nobody come in front. And you and the woman he cry peace and he must say you don't think me say Ashanti take times to heal. For all who know me out here, so me say Ashanti, it take time to heal. So what una come about? What una come about? When you did cuss Donna her peace mouth and did go on like so you never say friend and people can cuss. Well people and people can cuss. Where the difference? How because I never drag the bad and the picnic them no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. I'm never go up on Anita and go talk who she suck out and oh and Anita but no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not going to do that. I'm not gonna do that. So if I that to know what, you're not gonna get it. It is done.